What is up, guys? The next Coolify service that we're going to be self-hosting is called Tolgee. Tolgee is an open source translation management platform to help you manage your translations. And I'm going to show you how to self-host it. And once we have self-hosted it, you will get a platform that looks like this, and also with a straightforward onboarding process that you can easily follow. So let me show you how to self-host it. To do that, we're going to go into Coolify. And in the projects tab, we're going to hit the add button. I'm going to call it Tolgee. Hit continue. Then click on the production environment. Click on add a new resource. And then search for Tolgee. And then select the server where you want to self-host it on. And now we're pretty much done. Let's hit this edit icon here to edit the domain that was automatically created so that we can have something shorter. Hit save when you're done. And now we're ready to hit deploy, so let's go ahead and do that. So our container has started. Let's close this window. And we will wait for the service to be green. And once it's green, we will visit it in a new tab. So our service just turned green. Let's go ahead and open it up in a new tab. And now it's asking us for an email and password. So let's go back into the service stack tab. And we're going to add in these ones, the admin and the password that's here. So go ahead and copy the password and just paste it in. Hit login when you're done. And that's it. We have successfully self-hosted Tolgee. So this is the platform where you'll be managing your translations and setting up your keys. So we're going to be just clicking into the demo project here. And you can actually follow the quick start by just hitting try demo. So that's it for self-hosting Tolgee. The other thing I want to share is just the integration portion. So if you had wanted to integrate it into your app, you would hit integrate, and then you have multiple ways of doing that. So you can use the CLI, for instance, and you would need to create an API key. So let's say I want a 60-day, and then you would select the permissions of that key. And then it gives you the instructions on how you would integrate it. So by doing Tolgee pull, for instance, it would get all of the translations into the folder that's suggested here. Or if you're using, for example, Next.js, it will give you detailed instructions on how to integrate it with Next.js. When you're in development, it, for the most part, gets the translations directly from the URL and puts it into the provider. But in production, that's not how it works. You need to set specific files that it's going to use. So either it's going to be hosting it on Tolgee, or you need to set up those files locally. And that is detailed in this page, which is this URL right here, which I will put in the description below. If you enjoy this type of video where I go through every single Coolify service, consider subscribing. That's going to be it from me. I will see you in the next video.